gym to get keys to my dorm, and I've been waiting in line for 2 hours, even though I arrived almost right after they opened. In this gym, you can also get a monthly plan, and they have about 5 or 6 locations across the city, and one of them is right next to my dorm. Then I took a taxi again with my 3 suitcases to finally go to my dorm. This is my dorm for 5 months. It has such a beautiful view of mountains and residences. It's super spacious, beautiful and clean. I got fully furnished room. The next morning I went to Ikea with my 2 neighbors to get some things for my room and kitchen. I actually met one of them on my very first day here. I couldn't open my door and she was the first person I saw, so I asked for her help, and then it turned out that she lives right below me. The second one I met a little later, she lives just to the... And then we ended our shopping with a really nice meal in Ikea. Because of the crazy heavy rain, it was a whole adventure just getting back to the dorm. Then I went to the city center for the first time to meet some girls who moved to Oslo from Kyrgyzstan about 3 years ago. They helped me buy a SIM card and showed me almost all the main sites in downtown Oslo. They also told me a bit about Norwegians in general and about the university where they study, the same one I will be starting it soon. On Sundays, all the markets are closed, so I decided to buy some groceries in advance. In the morning, my neighbors texted me saying they want to go swim in the lake next to our dorm. At first, I thought it would be too cold, so I only went up to my knees, but then we ended up swimming for about an hour. There were so many people, some were swimming, some jogging, others having picnics. Unfortunately, on our floor it was just 2 of us, so we decided to clean the kitchen completely. After having breakfast, I went downtown to buy a hair dryer and all of the other things I needed for my hair care.
have more option to get over. So we will see.